Let's start with one of the most popular bedtime shots, apple cider vinegar with cinnamon. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon raw apple cider vinegar, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and half a cup of warm water. Benefits: ACV helps regulate blood sugar overnight and supports fat metabolism. Cinnamon adds anti-inflammatory properties and improves insulin sensitivity. Together, they help your body detox gently while you sleep. How often? You can take this 3-4 nights a week. Too much ACV can irritate your stomach, so always dilute it and don't overdo it. What to expect? Many people notice reduced bloating, better digestion, and even a flatter stomach in the morning. Next is the Aloe Vera Juice Shot. Ingredients: 30 milliliters fresh aloe vera juice or store-bought pure aloe juice, plus a few drops of lemon. Benefits: aloe soothes the gut lining and promotes smooth digestion. It also has natural detox properties and hydrates your body from within. For some, it may even reduce acid reflux at night. How often? Take it 2-3 times per week before bedtime. What to expect? Better digestion, reduced stomach irritation, and improved skin glow over time. The third is a Herbal Mix Shot, a soothing combination to relax your body before bed. Ingredients: steep 1/2 teaspoon chamomile tea, a small slice of ginger, and a few drops of honey in warm water. Drink a small shot-size portion. Benefits: chamomile is known for calming the nervous system and promoting restful sleep. Ginger improves digestion and reduces inflammation. Honey adds natural soothing and healing effects. How often? You can safely take this every night. What to expect? Deeper sleep, reduced midnight bloating, and a calmer mind. So how do you include these shots in your routine? Pick one functional shot per night. Don't mix them all at once. Rotate them through the week based on your needs. ACV for metabolism, aloe for gut healing, herbal mix for relaxation. Within 2-3 weeks, you'll notice better digestion, improved sleep, and more energy in the morning. These simple DIY bedtime shots are nature's way of helping you heal while you sleep. Tell me in the comments, which one of these shots would you love to try first? If you want to dive deeper into healing your body naturally, check out the digital health course link in the description below. It's packed with powerful tips like these. And don't forget, like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips. Sweet dreams and better health start tonight.